Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Accili here and welcome to Lesson 7 of the summer term for those children who have not got their instruments at home. Right boys and girls, we're going to do some revision this lesson. The slide in front of you is all the note values we have learnt this year. So we've got a crotchet, which is our step note, which is a value of 1. A stride note, which is our minim, has a value of 2. A dotted minim, which is like a stride note with a dot next to it, is a 3-beat note. And we've also got our caterpillar, which is our semi-breve, which lasts for 4 beats. We've also got a crotchet rest, which is a shh, which lasts for 1 beat. And we have a pair of quavers, which make 1 beat, because half plus a half equals 1. Right, I hope you have a pen and something to write on. Here is your first activity of the day. Now, boys and girls, I want you to pause the video and look at these note values and try and add them up to get your answers. If you get stuck, you can always revert back to the previous slide, which tells you the length of these notes. Start the film again when you're ready to move on. Now this slide is a continuation from the one before. You have to look at the notes and add up the values. Pause the film, boys and girls, and have a go. When you are confident that you have finished, start the film again and move on to the next activity. Now on to our time signature revision. A time signature is a symbol we see at the beginning of a piece of music. It looks exactly like a fraction, where you have a number at the top and a number at the bottom. Now the bottom number, which is 4, will stay the same, and this tells us that the music is in crotchet beats. But the top number changes, and this is the most important number for you to understand to help you complete the next activity. The top number tells us how many beats are in a bar. So here we have 1 bar of music, and you have to add the note values up in the bars to get the time signature of either 4, 3 or 2 as the top number. There are 9 bars for you to complete. So pause the film, boys and girls, and have a go at this activity. Start it again when you're ready to move on. Here is the final activity of the day. Using the same slide for the time signatures, I want you to label each note you see, remembering the rhyme for the line notes, which is every good boy deserves football, and our space notes spelling the word face. Pause the film to complete this task and start it again when you're ready to move on. Right, boys and girls, here are the answers to the activities you have done in today's lesson. Why don't you see how many you have got right, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.